आप सभी को नमस्ते। मेरा नाम अभिषेक पाठक है और मैं फ्रेंड इन नीड इंडिया ट्रस्ट में काम करता हूँ। आज नेशनल यूथ डे है, तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहूँगा नेशनल यूथ डे के लिए। और 3 चीज़ें मैं चाहूँगा कि यूथ के लिए हो। सबसे पहली चीज़ क्वालिटी एजुकेशन। हर क्षेत्र में अलग अलग प्रकार से एजुकेशन दिया जाता है, तो मेरा मानना है कम से कम एजुकेशन हर कंट्री में फ्री होना चाहिए और क्वालिटी एजुकेशन फ्री होना चाहिए। दूसरा, इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, सबको बराबर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले अपना टैलेंट दिखाने के लिए, काम करने के लिए। और हर जगह में खुले दिल से सबको वेलकम किया जाए अपना अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखाने के लिए। और तीसरा चीज़ है कि बराबर सपोर्ट किया जाए, क्योंकि पहले के जैसे जो प्रोफेशंस होते थे, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, वो सारे अब सिर्फ नहीं रहे हैं। ऐसे अनगिनत प्रोफेशंस आ गए हैं जिसमें लोग काम कर रहे हैं और पैसे कमा रहे हैं। तो मेरा मानना है कि हमारे से जो पहले वाले जनरेशन है वो इसे एक्सेप्ट करें और प्रॉपरली सपोर्ट करें, ताकि हम और भी ज़्यादा ग्रो कर पाएँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hi, this International Youth Day, if I could wish for 3 things done for youth, by youth, and amongst youth, I would wish for the following. I would wish for education for youth to be constantly reminding us that what we learn in a classroom is not constrained by the 4 walls we sit in or the theories we learn on paper, and they actually represent what is happening in the world that we consider to be real around us. Something that I would wish for young people to do is start initiatives which have like-minded people coming together. It's very important that you find people who have similar values and interests and a drive that will build a circle to help you understand the world around you, navigate it, and also create a lasting change. And something that I would wish to happen amongst youth would be to constantly question our biases. We have more biases than we initially think we have, but taking a moment to critically question yourself when you digest certain pieces of information would be one thing that I feel that young people today should really do.
Good evening and good afternoon to one who is there out in the world. My name is Mwape and I'm from Zambia. And today I come to you today to talk about Youth Day celebration, which falls on the 12th of August 2025 tomorrow and was declared by the United Nations. So my question for today was, what can you do for the youth, by the youth, and among the youth? So you should always remember that the youths are people that drive the world. We are the youth. Whether you're 15, you're 16, 17, or 35, you drive the economy, you drive the world, you drive many distinctions in the world also today. And I would say that by the youth, we walk by the youth together, we as a nation, and we as a continent, we as just a world, we walk together as one person, one identity, one ethnicity, and one culture. As youths bring out the spirit of youngship and the spirit of togetherness. And I would say that what I can do for the youth is to foster more opportunities, bring out more job opportunities in the world by creating and investing in infrastructure development and growth and development in the economy and so on and so forth. The second thing that I will do for the youth is bring out skill development programs for people who can who are not able to go to school, as many people face financial strain and ability to go for school practices and so on and so forth. So I'll create skill development centers for them to bring out their skill-based knowledge, either in tailoring, either in carpentry, or other skills that they have. And then among the youth, I am a youth myself, and I come from a country where we are dominated by the youth mostly than the old people. So with that, I would like to empower a lot of youth out there that many people, many youths like my age should do better and should increase their ability to have a better nation, a better country, and also working together as one. With that, I say Happy Youth Day and thank you so much. Bye bye.